German-based car manufacturing company hiring now. Location, Mahindra World City, near Chengalpattu. Immediate joining. Qualification, Diploma, DME, DAE, DEE, DECE, BUT, Mechanical Automobile, EECE. Eligibility, age, 18 to 25 years. Diploma, male-female. BUTU, male only. Mandatory, 4-wheeler driving license, BUTU, encouraged for diploma candidates. Department. Assembly Department. Working details. 6 days working shift, 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Sunday off overtime, ஒன்றியத்திலிருந்து HR. Salary, take home. Diplomats, 19,800 to 23,600 EU, 23,600 ரூபாய். Benefits. Based on experience. A. 2-time food provided. Room support provided. Bus facility provided. EUGU, Tamil Nadu candidates, translated in Tamil. Tambaram to Chengalpattu, Thirukalukundram routes. Contact 7660033319 9159449537.